Welcome back to Origami videos. In this video I'm gonna show you how to make this paper ninja star. All you're gonna need is 4 pieces of square paper, and we'll start with folding one. We'll fold our paper in the middle on the diagonal. And press it down. We'll open it and fold this outside line to the middle. And now we'll fold this shorter outside line again to the middle. We will repeat the steps on the left side, but now we'll start with upper longer line that we will fold in the middle. And now we'll fold the shorter line to the middle line. Now we'll fold our paper on this longer line, so fold it up. And the last step is that we will fold our paper on this middle line. You can just fold it like this, and once the points meet together, just press it down. And we will repeat the steps with the next 3 pieces of paper. Once all 4 pieces of paper are folded, we'll start to combine them together. We'll take one piece of paper and turn it like this, so that the straight line is pointing outwards. And we will take the piece of paper that is the opposite color and fold it over the yellow one. Turn it again, fold the yellow one, and again put it over. Make sure that the straight line is pointing outwards. Now with the last piece of paper, we'll fold it over one, and we will tuck it in the middle of this one. Now we'll just adjust it. And we have a square. And if we slide it together, we'll have our origami ninja star. And we have Origami Ninja Star.